So I felt like Niharika needed like a little love in her life to give her that little sparkle. And initially, you always thought that lawyers will be really loud in court and "Me Lord" and "Your Honor, I have to say this." Like speak to myself in third person and say, "Neha, you're doing a good job. Hats off and pat on the back. Keep doing it."
Well, season 2 से expectations ज़्यादा बढ़ी हुई हैं इस टाइम पे and illegal season 2 has a lot of expectations set with it and नेहा के character से तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही जुड़ी हुई है I'm guessing. नेहा, firstly, welcome to Telechakkar. Always a pleasure having you here. Would love to know आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन कितनी है आपके इस सीजन से?
First of all, thank you so much for having me on Telechakkar. मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन यार उतनी ही है जितनी ऑडियंस की है क्योंकि मैंने भी शो नहीं देखा है. So I'm as excited. I'm going to be watching it with my fans on the 25th of November. So super excited, super thrilled. Because I feel season 1 को ढेर सारा प्यार दिया है लोगों ने. So I'm just hoping that season 2 को भी उतना ही प्यार मिले.
Well, you know what, I would say when you have a season 1 and then you get to know कि नहीं season 2 भी हो रहा है, that the excitement is doubles up क्योंकि then you understand that yes, fans ने आपके character ने story को भी बहुत पसंद किया है. So when you got to know about the fact that yes, season 2 is coming up, what was your instant reaction? And also then you got to know कि तनुज भी होने वाला है. Then what was the reaction?
Actually बहुत excited थी because when you work on a show, the biggest gratification is अगर season 2 बनता है यानी कि the channel in itself, audience, everyone believes in it. That's why they are going to commission a season 2. अगर लोगों को पसंद नहीं आता season 1 तो season 2 शायद नहीं बनता. तो I feel एक वो खुशी आती है अंदर से खुशी होती है that finally you know people have loved season 1. So I'm really grateful. Of course, Tanuj has been so much fun because season 1 में I mean, मेरा और अक्षय का एक incomplete love story type था, which people really liked. But of course, it's incomplete because Akshay gets married, and आपने देखा ही है. So I felt like Niharika needed like a little love in her life to give her that little sparkle and whatever. So I think Tanuj is part of season 2, and I think they have some amazingly cute scenes together in the show, and I feel that they are just so beautiful and so much fun. It gives you like a breather when when you have intense courtroom scenes and intense legal stuff going on. एक हल्का सा interesting, sweet, romantic सा कुछ है season 2 में.
Okay, but did you know this thing that Tanuj and Akshay have had this unsaid kind of a bond, connection, or maybe this pact kind of a thing, wherein every year they have to do one show kind of a thing with each other, and that's what Tanuj has told, and Akshay confirmed that. Did you ever know about this one?
I know about another show that they are doing, but I think it's a love story. I mean, we were obviously shooting for a love story on the show for me. Yeah, it was a love story with Niharika and Tanuj is Raghav's character on the show, but Tanuj and Akshay have another love story going on. They are like these 4-year-old kids together. I mean, अगर उनको आप कमरे में छोड़ दे एक साथ तो एक पूरी पिक्चर बन जाएगी. I mean, they never stop entertaining you. It's just epic. You have to hang with them together. It's a joyride.
Okay, so I would say that your character already did a lot of preparations, चाहे वो legal level पे हो या फिर lawyers को जैसे follow करना या उनको कैसे बैठना है, बात करना है, कोर्ट में कैसे अपने आप को पेश करना है. But then season 2 is going to be a little more intensified, or maybe there are going to be different more aspects that are going to be added to your character to that matter. Did you learn anything specifically for this season 2, like इसमें अपने character में add करने के लिए?
Of course, I saw a lot of legal stuff to understand the kind of world we are in. Of course, the cases are a bit different, so the whole approach was a little bit different. But pretty much understanding the body language of a lawyer and a life of a lawyer, because ये हम सिर्फ courtroom तक ही limited नहीं है ये show, which was refreshing in the first place because you go into a personal life of a lawyer and the corporate side where you actually go to the offices and you show that part of the lawyer's life, which is not very common in Indian films because you're usually limited to court. तो बहुत interesting था, and I think the whole mental prep was watching a lot of shows, figuring out the body languages of lawyers, understanding the lingo because of course Satu himself was a lawyer. So that, and of course Sahir and Samar in the first season, they kind of, because उनके बहुत सारे lawyer friends हैं तो वो सारा lingo जो था वो उनसे सीखने को मिला, and hanging out with lawyers, so all that was pretty much it.
Okay, in that regard, I'm very curious to know, ऐसा कोई myth था about maybe courts or lawyers that you had and that just got busted when you did this series?
Yeah, I mean, initially, not now. Like obviously,
Initially,
yeah. Initially, you always thought that lawyers will be really loud in court and, "Me lord" and "Your Honor, I have to say this." I mean,
it's not that.
it's really not because there are, and the corporate law is something that we never see, right? Where you are actually sitting in a meeting and figuring things out, which we show on this show. And of course, that lawyers can be very much normal like us and speak normally,
And they can be pretty much prettier, like
oh,
you cannot expect
of course, they never find good-looking lawyers. They said in the beginning, but ऐसा नहीं है. We have we have Akshay on the show. We have decent-looking lawyers on the show. Yeah.
Okay, anyone from season 1 that obviously a lot of them will not be a part of season 2, but then you're gonna miss them in season 2, or maybe shooting with them while you were shooting for season 2. ऐसा कोई है?
Of course, सबसे ज़्यादा I'm gonna as an audience, because I feel that Kubra's character, which was Meher Salam's character, Niharika's character was so attached to Kubra's character on this show. I feel like their bond and their chemistry was beautiful. And I mean, of course, there are new cases which are fabulous and very different from the Meher Salam case. But I think the audience loved Niharika's and Meher's chemistry that we had in season 1. So I think that's something that people might miss. But I hope not.
I'm sure, but then okay, in that context, I would love to hear that. Are you like a big critic of your own work, Neha? And do you like watching yourself on screen, or you're like of those category that I don't want like watching myself? Which one are you?
So I'm not too overcritical, because I feel like, when I'm shooting for something, I give my 100%. So I don't want to be like, why have you done this or what? Like, I don't talk to myself in like third dimension. Like, I do watch it. I do make notes of things that I can work on and improve, but not too harsh. I'm not too harsh on myself.
Do you watch yourself?
I don't like watching myself. I feel a little strange because I feel it strange, but I watch my work. It's not like I don't watch my work. I like, and there are some days where I just sit and watch my work because I want to like speak to myself in third person and say, Neha, you're doing a good job. Hats off and pat on the back. Keep doing it.
Playing a handful of characters and making a mark for yourself with all the kind of struggles that you've faced and reaching where you are today, what kind of roles do you look at for as in that this is what I want to play, or maybe a role that you feel will be quite difficult and challenging for you, a character, but you would still want to try that one?
Honestly, for now, I'm really grateful and fortunate, because whether it's Aafate Ishq, whether it's Illegal, or whether it's Jogira Sarara, these are roles that I would have loved or killed to do, if I may say so. I think these are such beautiful, beautiful characters and such beautiful stories. So I'm really lucky to be part of these. And of course, there are a million more characters that I would love to play. So I am looking forward to a ride where I get to play different characters.
Any parting words, Neha, for the fans? Because I'm very sure जितना आप excited हैं, जितने आपकी cast excited है for the season 2, they are super excited and also hoping कि season 3 भी आएगा.
उफ, क्या बात है, आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर. एंड बस फैंस को यही कहना चाहती हूँ, प्लीज़ you've given season 1 so much love. I just hope that you give season 2 as much love, and I'm waiting to know your reaction. I'm waiting to know how you like it, because I'm going to be watching with them on the 25th of November. So do let me know how you like it.
Well, I wish you all the luck for the upcoming projects, for Illegal season 2, and also for anything that you're signing up ahead. And it's a pleasure as usual having you here at Telly Chakkar, Neha.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. It's such a pleasure.
Well, that was Neha Sharma for you people, and this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now from Telly Chakkar with camera person Amit Singh.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.